How to cancel a ride in Bolt. Changed your plans or found another way to get there? Here's how to cancel a ride on Bolt without hassle. First, open the Bolt app and go to your active ride screen. Tap the cancel button. It will ask you to confirm and may show a small cancellation fee depending on timing. Choose a reason like driver taking too long or booked by mistake and confirm. If your driver has not started heading your way, you might not be charged, but if they are already closed, Bolt may apply a small fee just to compensate the driver for their time. Always cancel within a minute or two if you change your mind. It helps you avoid unnecessary fees. What's the main reason you have had to cancel a ride? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can cancel a ride in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.